Hello and a warm welcome to this video. In this one, I've covered Castrol India. Now, Castrol India is a mid-cap company into the manufacturing and marketing of automotive lubricants and industrial lubricants. It has a 51% market share in lubricants. Out of that, 39% of the car segment it controls, 28% in the motorcycle, 20% in commercial vehicles. It even has a strong presence in electric vehicle fluid oil market share. It pays a 3.5% royalty of its entire turnover to its parent company Castrol UK, which was acquired by British Petroleum in 2002. It has a market cap of 17,582 crores, a return of equity of 45.9%. 12-month trailing PEG ratio is right now at 34.4, which is a tad expensive. It's a completely debt free company with a dividend payout of 81%. Uh, Promoter holding is 51%, FII holding 10.38, domestic institutions 15.92%, of that LIC is 11.29%, and the public holds 22.7%. There is a zero pledge by the promoters here. So now let's have a look at the charts and try to understand the various perspectives of it right now. So the monthly just started, so I'm not going to consider the monthly candle so significantly right now. Still have a long way to go. The support in the monthly is all the way down at 140 to 130, very strong area of support. Trading it bounced, the decline in the month of January from 197 has come from near its all time high. So that's a typical reaction. So we can't call it weakness yet. We could call it some consolidation near the highs right now. Can't call it a double top so early. Let's have a look at the weekly. Weeklies had this particular week had a bad candle. Real black Marubozu candle has formed out there, but the support is coming down at 160 and then all the way down to 140. You can see that this breakout which took place from the September 2020 and 21 June levels, which were not breached and finally breached, and then a pullback also at that level and then a takeoff. So a breakout pullback has been done. Now support at 160 and then down to again that level of 135 out here. Let's have a look at the daily candle. Daily looks like at a fantastic support again. You can see the support at 176, 100, this level of 177. If this level fails to hold out here, then we could see a decline down to 167. And again, this particular level of the breakout area of 160, 55 could be tested in that case. So crucial level 100 from an immediate short term point of view 175. Below that, yes, some decline to the weekly and monthly support zones. Let's have a look at the hourly. Yes, you can see it more clearly here. First attempt, second attempt, third attempt, fourth attempt, all attempts have been blocked out here at 176. So yes, this would be the short term crucial. Where is the resistance now? Let's try to plot. In the Ichimoku hourly, I can see a resistance at 184, but a stronger one at 186 and a half. Sustaining requires to start sustaining above this level. Could take some time, to push its way above 186 to 188. Long consolidation sideways probably if it holds the 176 level. Let's have a daily look. Daily one, yes, 186, 87, and then 893 all the way there. So it could be some phase of accumulation happening. Let's have a look at the weekly 188. Now let's go to the monthly and try to project what could be the new possibilities because the stock will get into an all-time high. Now before going there, I would like to say like look at the from 2008 we had a decent rally till 2014. So even in the subprime scenario, the stock was sideways. It did not correct like many stocks. So good sign. And then from 2014, after a 6 year rally, stock saw a 8 year correction till COVID lows. You can see the COVID lows were near this consolidation area of 2008 to 2011. then a rally, then again a pullback in April 22 to retest this levels, and then each rally has gone on to make higher lows. You can see from January 23 to March 23, higher low, and then again September to November, another higher low. So stock of now trying to get into, pushing its way up with a healthy higher high, higher low pattern formation, and trying to push its way up. So what could be the possible targets once it starts sustaining above this 196, 197 level, which is would be 88. So as per Ichimoku, we have projected upside levels of 245 and then 345 possible for the stock. Let's see if there is any bearish harmonic structure in between, which could stop this move. So you'll get more clarity in the short term. So nothing as such. Now let me try to take it from here. 50, yeah, nothing here till all the way till probably till 265. So nothing till 245 in harmonics also. Let's try to see a lower time frame harmonic and see if anything could pause this move from here. So trying to plot it on the weekly. So weekly also nothing at all to consider as a sign of danger in harmonics. Nothing is coming out like that. So overall, strong possibilities, good accumulation could happen. If this it holds 175, then yes, upward movement could start above 188 for the projected 245 345 levels. Or if any fails to hold 175, then 165 to 150 would be a wonderful opportunity for those who missed out. The maximum case I would say is this 140 to 135 area, major pull down due to some reasons, etc. But this large green candle not suggesting such a deep cut, but overall risk reward setup for medium to long term looks quite decent for the stock. And one must keep in mind that a 6 year rally followed by a 6 year decline is just finished 4 years of this trend. So another two possible years more, or maybe a lot more possible for the stock going forward. So another stock which I would be very keenly looking at. I hope this video is of help to you. So please do like it, share it, and do follow me for regular updates on stocks like this. Until then, happy investing. And a disclaimer, this is not a trading advice to you. This is a video based purely on the study of Ichimoku, Fibonacci, and harmonic patterns. So please do your study thoroughly before you take a decision, and do always manage your risk properly. Bye bye.